Welcome to Ozfish. Dave here. Let's get some. I'm out this afternoon. Going to see if I can catch a few jewfish, low baiting. I was going to fish low on the river, but it's a howling northeast gale today. So I've had to come up the river a little bit. So I've got 2 popper rigs out today and 2 running sinker rigs. Just continuing with the popper rigs, just see how they go. I had a lot of drama anchoring this afternoon. Yeah, wind was howling, tide was going the other way. At times I could only fish with 1 rod out, sometimes 2 rods out. But so far, I've caught 1 big shovel-nosed shark. Shovel-nosed shark. Too bad a size. Been catching a few of these lately. 80. I like them live baits. See you, mate. And I caught 1 Jew about 66. There's a fish. First one for the session. I'm only fishing with 2 rods out at the moment. Very windy day it's been today. The tide's only just kicked in enough where I can actually begin to fish. I've just been fishing with 1 rod out. Very painful. But slowly the boat's beginning to turn around on the anchor. Not much going on, you'll take anything you can get. Smaller Jew. 65. Yeah, nice little fish. 66. Not legal, but first one of the session. Thanks for coming, mate. Another victim of the popper rig. And I caught a little fella about 50 centimetres. Oh, little fella. Down to 50. Healthy but chunky. Settle, mate, settle. Little fella, 50. Oh, you were greedy, mate. Really wanted that live bait. Oh. So luckily the wind's beginning to die down now. Tide's kicked in really hard. I don't mind that when the tide's running really hard. Seems to be good for jewfish. So I'll just tick away, maybe fish till, I don't know, maybe midnight, 12:30. See how many jewfish I can catch. Hopefully I'll get a big dog tonight. In this particular spot I'm fishing, my PB is a 1.20 m, so I'm just looking for that fish over 1.20 m in this particular spot. So 1.25 m would be really nice. When it gets darker I'll put some big baits out. Anyway, I'll get back there. Yeah, it was super challenging getting live baits this afternoon. Blowing a gale from the northeast, about 25 knots, which is really common this time of the year. If you're going to be an afternoon, sort of nighttime Jew fisherman this time of the year, yeah, you've just got to get used to fishing like really rough conditions when you're getting your live baits. But anyway, I'll roll a bit of action on that. See how the old 420 dory handles it. Pretty good. It's pretty nautical at sea today. Blowing about 25 to 30 knots from the northeast. I filled my live bait tank up full of liveys. Got plenty for a session, some really big baits. Yeah, you got to get used to like getting your bait in these sort of conditions. It's good. It gives you confidence when you're at sea. It gives you confidence in relation to the boat. And the idea is, yeah, just relax. Don't panic. Just do everything really slow. Tide's running out, so the harbour's going to be pretty gnarly, but I'm just going to wrap in really tight around the end of knobbies, and I'm just going to sort of tack home. Should be sweet.
Oh, dropped him right at the boat, about a 65, little fella. I'm going to count him back because I got him on the trace. Had his head out the water. There's a fish. Wow, just little fellas round tonight. Unbelievable. That's the 4th little Jew. Damn. See you later, mate. Go and have a chat to your mum, dad. Send them my way. Bite. Little bit better fish. Wow, another fish, 66. Haven't caught a legal fish all night. That's my 5th Jew. Come on, boys, pick your game up. Healthy fish bite for 66. Solid. Fin's a little bit damaged. Keep it going, bro. Well, that's a wrap for me tonight. I'm going to go home early. Wind's still blowing a little bit from the northeast, and the tide started to ease up, and it just swung me around on the anchor and swung me away from where I want to be. So today, all I caught was 1 shovel-nosed shark and 5 small jewfish. None of the jewfish, I think the biggest jewfish I caught was 66. So just smaller fish here this afternoon and tonight. No bigger fish, no meter fish, no bigger fish than that. Pretty disappointing, really. It was a day really of rough weather and high winds. Nobody else out fishing. Maybe I should have stayed at home. A day's fishing is better than a day's working, they say. It's always fun when you're out fishing, no matter what happens. Anyway, until next time, this is Dave signing off. And always remember, let's get some.